Over 2,000 dead and 2,000 more injured in Morocco earthquake. The epicenter of the earthquake was located off the northern coast of Morocco. A combined rescue effort involving the UK, Israel, Spain, and Qatar is underway. The earthquake came in at 6.8 on the Richter scale. It was the largest recorded in a North African nation in over 60 years. The ones who have survived have lost their homes and are struggling to find food. Airlines have ceased their operations as airports throughout the country are heavily affected by the earthquake.